Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today we have a brand new 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper that has come to us to achieve two things. Number one, apply TMaxx Satin Clear PPF to the complete exterior. And the reason why the customer chose that particular color film is because even though he likes the midnight silver metallic color, standard range color that actually came on the vehicle from Tesla, everybody seems to have that color. Maybe because it's standard range at no additional charge, maybe because it's absolutely stunning. But this customer wanted to be different, and he wanted to go ahead and kind of like make it more stealth, make it satin. Keep the color, keep the metallic, but tone it down. And that's exactly what this film does as a color change. It takes the existing color of your Tesla and gives it a satin, semi-matte exterior finish, which is very popular and it's a huge trend. Now, you also want to achieve something else, even more important: protect the paint. Protect the paint from road rash and rock chips and door dings and small damages that could result in hundreds, if not thousands of dollars spent at your local body shop. You're out of the vehicle for sometimes weeks on end. If you do a complete PPF wrap to the complete exterior of your vehicle, you're going to protect yourself from having that type of exposure or dealing with those types of issues. Now, film is designed to take the hit, to take the abuse, and protect the paint underneath. And typically, it does a great job. The TMaxx film comes with a 10-year warranty, so you have a great peace of mind as you own your vehicle for many years and have it completely wrapped in PPF. Now, let's just say that the hit to the film actually tore through it, but the paint underneath was still good. All you have to do is have it removed from that one section, that one panel, have it reapplied, quick and easy, same day, not a lot of money out of pocket. So protecting your vehicle, enjoying a color change, and by the way, this film's available in complete clear. So if you did not want this satin finish, all you have to do is choose TMaxx Clear PPF that would preserve the same color, but give you all the protection that we all need to protect our Teslas, save money in our pocket for many years of enjoyment. Now, I bet you also noticed that the wheels have been changed on this Juniper, and that's another thing that this customer wanted to do. So he chose our very popular satin black TSF wheels, using the same tires, the same tire size that the Model Y comes with, which happens to be a 255/45/19. Front and rear so that you can go ahead and rotate. Gives the vehicle a nice upgraded look. Get rid of those aero covers, which are kind of plasticky, I think we can all agree. Shows off your brake calipers for a sportier look, and overall changes the exterior appearance of the Tesla. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our content, I have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon. All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel.